washing your car to raise money to go to Kentucky.
I don't have any money.
You don't have any money? What's wrong with you? Look, we're going to Kentucky June 22nd through the 28th, and we need a whole lot of money. I was washing your car. I was getting all this shiny stuff.
You need help.
We do need help. Maybe you'll help us. May 17th from 9 to 2 at AutoZone on Timberlake Road. We're going to be washing cars then, too.